I want to talk about masszymes for just a second. It is absolutely one of the best products for digestive function and also for nutrient absorption.
Yeah, so enzymes are responsible from everything from thinking to blinking, and digestive enzymes in particular are something that is naturally consumed by all animals that eat their food in a raw, natural state. Well, humans obviously don't do that. And what happens, we're forced to manufacture our enzymes at huge metabolic costs, which leads to degeneration at a faster rate than other species. If we looked at a cross section of the population, what are the enzymatic needs that they're not getting in order to break down and digest, absorb, and utilize their food properly? Now we have developed specialty products like Capex for ketogenic diets, Vegzymes for plant-based diets, Gluten Guardian, which is digest gluten. People have trouble with gluten. So every one of those can be used in a specialty field. So you take a few capsules before every meal and it ensures great digestion. You don't get that I feel like I'm pregnant feeling. It makes your smoothness of, elimination very easily. And it's just an all-around great product.
This really is like the most nutrient rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code